Here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and undo these tabs. Okay. And then let's see, how does this work? Is this like, oh, it's a sleeve. Okay, so okay, it slides out. Okay, all right. Interesting. Okay. Ugh. Cool. We'll put that to the side, and then so you can see here's a drawing of the device. Pretty artsy. We'll go ahead and just slide this out, and oh, Pixel 9 Pro XL in the porcelain, aka white. We'll have a look at this real fast. Nice and covered up, nicely protected. Fingerprint scanner. This is your charging port, USB Type-C. This is a SIM card. I really do wish this was an SD card, not gonna lie. Along with a SIM, obviously, but yeah,